Good morning, this is Tom, and I'm in the process of building a morning routine button to automate a few of the tasks I do every day, which include turning the lights on in the bedroom so that I don't hit the snooze button as much before I get up, brewing coffee, and saying good morning to the team in Slack. So to do this, I'm using the AWS IoT button. It is like the regular Amazon Dash button that you would use to go and reorder things like Tide detergent and whatever else you can think of, but this one is programmable. It comes in a little box like this, nice and simple. It connects to Amazon's Lambda service, which can go and fire off a script using Java, Node, or Python. In my case, I'm going to be using Python to write a script that'll go and connect to Slack and say good morning to the team, and also fire off a request to if this and that using the maker channel. That allows this to be extensible in the way that one request gets shot off to the maker channel, and then I can, from if this then that, program whatever recipes I want over time. So that one maker channel is going to control both the lights as well as the coffee maker. For the lights, I'm using the Cree connected bulbs. They come in at about 15 bucks a piece. You can get them on sale sometimes for about 10, so one of the more affordable options. It has a plastic casing, and I believe it has 4 LEDs on each of these sides of it. It comes in both a soft white and a daylight. I'm going to be using the soft white in the bedroom because these are the 2 bulbs that I have left. And the coffee maker here is a Mr. Coffee with Wemo enabled in it. So connecting to Wemo, they have a channel in it, if this and that, and that's going to fire off the coffee maker in the morning. For these bulbs, I'm using Wink. It also has Zigbee. I'm not very familiar with Zigbee, but for Wink it requires the Wink hub, which I already have, and most of the lights in my apartment already use these bulbs. So just something to keep in mind there. So I'm going to connect this all up, finish up my Python script, and I'll give you a quick demo. Alright, so we're ready to go. I have the coffee maker plugged in, and we're going to have this light above me turn on rather than the bedroom lights so that I don't have to run back and forth between rooms. And we're going to have a Slack message sent here. It's going to send to Slackbot rather than to a channel just for demo purposes. You can easily go and change them back and forth, it really doesn't matter. Over here is if this and that. We have the maker channel as the trigger, and that's going to cause the coffee maker to start brewing, and also a shortcut that I set up in Wink for the light above me to turn on. So we have the AWS button here, and this will cause a Python script to run that's on Lambda. It came in at like 27 lines of code and a couple lines of white space, so it didn't take too much code at all. Let's give this a shot. I'll press the button. It takes about 5 seconds for the connection to happen. I'm going to bring this into focus. So you can see that the line there is text. If this works properly, a good morning is going to shoot into there. You can see the good morning happened. Hopefully this is going to turn on in a second. Okay, cool, that turned on. And hopefully the light above me, yep, there we go, that turned on too. Great success in the morning routine, and hopefully I'm going to save a few minutes there. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.